Here's a 1973 Plymouth Duster. Just came in on trade from one of our previous customers here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular car is a true Duster. It is a 340 car. Still has a 340 underneath the hood. It's also a factory 4-speed car. So a lot of things are correct on this. It is originally a white exterior, black vinyl roof, black interior car. So this one very similar to the way it would have came from Plymouth back in 1973. Very solid car underneath too, very tidy underneath the hood. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, feel free to check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Riding on some Krager SS's. That classic muscle car look from the early 70s. The interior is also in nice shape, black vinyl roof, very nice shape. If you have any questions, I'd like to give us a call, maybe check on transportation to where you're located at. Any questions about the car, feel free to give us a call to 507-386-1726. 340 badging back here, as well as the Duster logo. Very cool looking car, that wing on it. Spoiler, I should say. Check out the trunk, engine bay, underside. Like I said, uniqueclassiccars.com. We're going to fire this up. This 340 is pretty healthy, so see if I get her warmed up a little bit and have it idle so you can check out how it runs. One thing I'm going to do before I start it up too, I'm going to pause this here a second and open that hood so you can check out the engine bay a second too, and then we'll fire it up. Alright, pop the hood so you can see the engine bay here. There's a 340 underneath there. Obviously does have power brakes, data tags over here. You can check out the still pictures, like I said, at the uniqueclassiccars.com, and you'll see a close-up of that data tag, and I also decoded, have a picture of the decoding, so it'll tell you what this would have came with according to that data tag and the colors and what have you. Kind of touched on those a little bit earlier, but as you can see, nice, neat and tidy engine bay. Let's go ahead and close the hood. We're going to fire this thing up so you can hear it run. See the interior, also nice shape, vinyl on the seats. Duster floor mats in there, door cards. As you can see from the passenger side, a few aftermarket gauges added underneath there. Later model stereo and a tachometer. Let's go ahead and fire this up for you. Odometer reads, what is it, 64,142. Can't really confirm or deny if those are original, but judging by the car, it won't surprise me. Starts very easily. Like I said, that 340 is pretty healthy underneath the hood, so it'll warm up and idle here a little bit for us. We should be alright there. Nice little low-B idle to it. There you have it, 1973 Plymouth Duster 340 underneath the hood, 4-speed car. That's the way it would have came. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or of course, that website once again is uniqueclassiccars.com.